Here's how you can slice up your titles in After Effects. To slice up your title, select the pen tool and create a mask halfway through your title like this. Now duplicate your text layer and set the mask to subtract. Moving forward, hit P on your keyboard and add keyframes for position, then scrub forward in your timeline by few frames and adjust the position of each title piece. Now select the top layer and apply drop shadow effect. Increase the distance to 45 and the softness to 35. Duplicate the shadow and increase the opacity to 75 and the softness to about 150. Animate the opacity of the drop shadow from 0% to their current values. This way, the shadows will fade up when the title tears apart. If you want to remove the initial cut, make sure your title without the mask and position keyframes is up on the screen first, then cut that title and bring in your sliced up titles. If you want to change the text later, you need to change it on all 3 layers. You may also need to adjust the mask for both layers. That's how you can slice up your titles in After Effects.